What's up everybody, my name is Clinton Jones, and if you're a 3D artist or wanting to get into 3D art, I have got just the thing for you. Every 6 months for the last 2 years, I've challenged artists to create epic 3D renders from simple, bare bones project files and teamed up with my favorite companies to give away next level prizes. Over the last 2 years, our passion for 3D art and digital storytelling have consistently brought us together to build some of the coolest 3D montages on the internet, and have pushed us far beyond our perceived capabilities. Today marks the beginning of a new opportunity to level up together, and I'm proud to present the Moving Meditations 3D Community Challenge, where through the month of August, I am challenging you to put your passion to the test. Download the template project file below and fill it with the coolest 3D scene you can imagine. Now this challenge is special because I teamed up with Tai Chi master Lu Junchang, known for his work on movies like Shang Chi and Man of Tai Chi. And we recorded 27 unique moves so you can choose your favorite and drop it into your scene. Because in September, I'm piecing every single submission together to form an incredible martial arts mega-montage. It doesn't matter if this is your first 3D challenge or your first week in 3D. This challenge is open to everybody looking to learn and grow in their passion for digital art. You can use whatever program you want, and I'll be alongside you guys every step of the way during this challenge. But before I go any further, let's talk about these prizes, because if you've done these challenges before, you know we got some good prizes, and this one is no exception. Because I teamed up with some of my favorite companies in the post-production space to build the biggest international prize pool so far. Now, usually, we just award prizes to the top 5 artists. But for the first time ever, if your render gets featured in the top 100 montage, Kitbash 3D is stepping up to give each of those 100 artists their choice at any Kitbash kit they want. And if you don't know what Kitbash is, get hyped, because they create the highest quality themed 3D kits on the market. Each kit comes with a total of 100 plus buildings, props, and assets, making digital world building an absolute joy. Kitbash has a huge selection of kits like Neo San Francisco, Outlaw, DMZ, Manhattan, Elysium, Soviet Blocks, Outpost, Gaia, Favelas, Treasure Island, Valhalla, Goliath, City Streets, Aftermath, Dark Fantasy, Medieval Market, and Roman Empire, just to name a few. I've used their assets for a long time now. They support nearly every software and are offering challenge-exclusive discount codes during my live streams in August. Now let's talk about the top 5 prizes. For the 4th and 5th place artists, you're winning an extra 2 Kitbash kits of your choice on behalf of Kitbash 3D to help round out that 3D toolkit, as well as a perpetual license to DaVinci Resolve Studio by Blackmagic Design. DaVinci Resolve Studio is my go-to non-linear editor of choice. I switched over from Adobe Premiere while working at Corridor, and I hadn't looked back since. Not only is there a super powerful free version of the program, it's streamlined, constantly updated, and is the industry standard software when it comes to their coloring tools. The Studio version, however, comes with added AI tools, presets, quality of life features, and near unlimited resolution and export caps. I use DaVinci Studio for every video I cut and use it to quickly add music, sound effects, or color to my 3D exports. But what if your render comes in 3rd place? Your choice of 3 Kitbash kits. Yep, you're getting that. The perpetual DaVinci Resolve Studio license. Yep, that is yours as well. As well as a Wacom Intuos Pro tablet from the good people at Wacom. Now, you have heard me say this before, but I cannot stress enough how much I love these tablets. First off, they save your dang wrist from the pain and long-term damage a traditional mouse will do to your brittle bones. I want to be able to do this for a long time. But the tablet's not just for drawing and sculpting either. I do everything short of playing PC games with this thing. It's got a ton of shortcut buttons to speed up your workflow, comes with both software and hardware for customizing your tablet experience, and of course supports pen pressure and tilt controls for drawing and sculpting. Wacom's also letting the winners choose their preferred tablet size too, as usual. Medium works best for me, but hey, you know, maybe you guys want to go for that large. It's up to you. But if your render finds itself all the way into 2nd place, you're getting the 3 Kitbash 3D kits, the DaVinci Studio license, the Wacom Intuos Pro tablet, and the new and improved Smart Suit Pro 2 from our good friends at Rokoko. Having a mocap suit changes the game when it comes to animation and world building in general, because it saves you so much time and opens up a wide range of possibilities for your 3D art. You're not limited to the free animations on Mixamo anymore. VTubing can be a thing, And the time saved hand animating characters from scratch is worth everything. And the grand prize for the best renderer of them all will receive the 3 Kitbash kits, DaVinci Studio, the Wacom Intuos Pro tablet, and a full performance capture bundle from Rokoko, complete with a Smart Suit Pro 2, a pair of smart gloves to make hand tracking super easy, a face capture body mount, a 1-year subscription to their upgraded software, Studio Plus, complete with their face tracking add-on. I used Rokoko's suit and gloves to capture all the animation for this challenge, as well as their studio software to help clean up the animations. I cannot thank Rokoko, Kitbash, Wacom, and Blackmagic Design enough for coming together to provide you guys with such an awesome and useful collection of prizes for you to create with. So to get started, download the project files below. Inside, you'll find the template project file, which we've built out for most major softwares. You'll open one up to see an animated camera and a center framed character. Also included in the project folder are the very important 27 unique character animations. Choose your favorite one, swap it for the stand-in character, and begin building your scene. The rules are super simple. Rule number 1, do not touch the camera. Rule number 2, replace the stand-in animation with your favorite animation and don't move them around the scene. Replace it exactly. And that's it. From there, it's up to you and your imagination to run wild with the character and the environment. And to best help you on your creative journey this month and to stay updated on every facet of this challenge, hop into my Discord server linked below. It's where you can download the starter files, read the rules, FAQs, and technical details. Myself and the moderators build out the Discord every single time we do these challenges, and it's where the entire community will be during the challenge to support each other, get feedback on their art, and ask questions. The deadline is The deadline is August 28th at 11:59 p.m. PST. That is August 28th, 11:59 p.m. PST. And I'll announce the submission link on Saturday the 13th on my live stream. And to keep judging fair and unbiased, I'll be joined by mystery guest judges on my September 3rd live stream, where we'll reveal the top 100 and announce the top 5 winners. So get hyped, download the starter project files, come hang out on Discord with us, and challenge yourself this month with the Moving Meditations 3D Community Challenge. I'll see you next Saturday, August 6th, where I'm kicking off my piece of 3D art for this challenge in Unreal Engine 5. I am so excited to learn and grow with everybody this month, and I can't wait to see what we can do together. So let's get it! I'll see you guys soon. Peace.